Self-hypnosis with powerful hypnosis scripts. Hypnosis is often seen by many people as a tool to control the mind and will of the person. Though this is a well-known myth, it is still an arduous task to convince people that hypnosis has no such power. Rather, hypnosis is a tool to help the patient to resolve some of the problems that the patient faces. It is often guided by a well-trained hypnotist, and in no way that the hypnotist has the power to control the patient's will if the patient is not willing to. While most professional hypnotists do not follow the script exactly as it is written, each script provides an informational guide and outline to lead the hypnotist through the specific situation. Many hypnotherapists can and do write their own scripts, but these can be time-consuming. Using a standard outline and inserting the client-specific focus provides quality client care without having the extended workload of writing individualized scripts. Hypnosis script can also be used for self-hypnosis if the client is interested in using self-hypnosis practices to resolve a personal issue or conquer an unwanted habit. Many people choose to utilize the hypnosis scripts written for weight reduction and smoking cessation programs. There are a wide variety of hypnosis scripts available for free on the internet. Downloading one of these scripts and then reading the script into a personal recording device will provide a self-hypnosis format using the hypnosis script to guide the session.